Alright friends, so I'm really excited to show you this video. I'm going to show you what to expect when you get this and how to set it up. So you're actually watching me do this for the very first time, and I did edit out some of the parts where I was kind of scratching my head, so trying to figure out how to put it together. So I'm going to simplify it down for you so it'll even be faster for you. So it comes nicely packaged, very tight, and it has the styrofoam cushions on the side, so you just want to make sure that you can take those off. They should be able to slide easily off. And then you have here two pieces. You have the top lamp part that sits on the adjustable arm. It attaches, so just take that out of the bag, set that aside. And then you have the bottom part that has the lid, and then you have the 12 holes. I bought the 12 holes because lettuce heads will get a little large, so if I want to stagger them, I can. Inside, okay, so there you have the water gauge there, and then you also have the pods, and then you have the little cups. And the kit that I got came with labels, and then of course you have the plant food. And that's the arm there that we're going to assemble, and then of course the battery supply, power supply. So let's go ahead, and the next thing you're going to do is just take out the adjustable arm. Very simple. It goes in only one way. And just give it a little push and it will snap in. Now there is a little plug in the back, and it's a rubber plug. Do not lose that. That's going to hold the water in, so when you need to clean it, you can let it drain out into the sink, but you want to make sure that's in there snug. So go ahead and put the lid on top, and then let's go ahead and put the lamp on. So that's what I'm doing now, and you just have to make sure you align it properly and then just give it a little push. And then what you can do, there's a little knob there in the center, and loosen it to adjust it up or down. So here I am opening the bag of covers, which is really cool. That allows you to prevent light from going in the open holes. When light hits the plant food, it often creates algae, so this cuts that down on that. These are the pods. The only thing I didn't do was I should have soaked them for, just run them on the water to really get them wet. The instructions did not say to do that, but I would recommend it. And they just go in here, and then in these little cups, plastic cups, and then just put them in. The seed goes in that hole there. Okay, so then you just take the power supply, plug it into the wall, and then this is where I was a little confused, but I figured it out pretty quickly. So there's two holes on the bottom of the lamp. So your power supply is going to go into the one on the left here. And then there's a fan plug that goes into the right side that's attached to the bottom part of the system. So you have two, so you have your different lights and all of that, and then the little caps. Here on the side is where you would pour in the water, and then next all you got to do is just add your seeds to the pods and put them in, and you're ready to go.